Ano guys, oil mixing coolant. Now we make pressure test. Now guys, put water guys to make pressure test. Okay, finish kalas. See guys, we close this side guys. Okay, pot close. Must be little drain guys, because I need excess air inside. Okay, close. That one guys, coolant temperature. Put here downside. After little pressure, put guys, water coming inside from liner. Okay, you will see what number. No problem. This side guys, put air pressure. So pressure gauge. Pressure gauge. Only 30 psi guys, class finish. Maximum 50 psi. Yeah. But my gauge little dark. For safety guys, you tight guys also, because sometimes guys this one pull down and at least no one accident happen. Okay, see, I put extra if in case remove this cover, so safety. So upside. Control valve guys.
Are you
Coming. See now guys, coming coolant. What number? Where's the flashlight? Check. What number?
Now 2.
Huh?
2.
Two liner?
This one side.
Wait,
Number 3.
what number?
Number 3.
Number
2.
Number 3 anto. Ay, sana 3 anto ada backside 6. What number?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Okay, wait I add more pressure guys. Now I make 80 guys.
Much one session.
Right there, right paper marking. Yeah. See.
4 and 5, huh?
Yeah. See guys. Too much guys. Also here. Three and 4. 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Yeah. See guys, this one during pressure, because I add more 80 pressure coming blow, so that's why guys need protection guys. Rasa no need this one remove also. Again fix, clean, dry. Again fixing. We make second test. This guys. Okay, open. Pull open then close. Close.
Bila?
second testing guys, because before guys explode I put 80 pressure, 80 psi. See guys, must be put pressure guys, then you found the problem, because this one guys oil mixing coolant. See, two liner have problem, other one very fast. Okay. 4 and 5 other no ha. Other one no problem. 1 2 3 no problem. Only 4 and 5. Number 4 too much. Maybe this one guys liner crack. Okay, confirm. Also guys, do not put pressure guys with together radiator, because this radiator only maybe only 4 psi only. But if you put 60 psi, your all radiator blast. So you must be testing like this position. If this one inside engine, you must be remove from connection from the radiator. Do like this procedure. Hey guys, 50 psi guys. Maximum guys 50 psi. No problem. Before I put 80 psi, hair blast. So that's why I have always protection. Okay guys.